Hi there. So this is Saurav once again. So welcome to my next tutorial. So today I'm going to talk about three crypto scams that have been happening around the world and something that you should watch out for. So let me share my slides. There you go. So let's dive in. Safe harbor. Let's look at the first point, mining scam. So you would notice that with the advent of cloud and cloud-enabled platforms, there have been many investors who are easily going onto the crypto platform on the cloud to mine, to trade, and that is really inexpensive today because it's very cheap. It's very easy to learn, and you really can sometimes make a lot of money. But you should look out for the tall, unrealistic promises that some of these miners and some of the cryptocurrencies make. And you should not fall for all of those unrealistic promises. Do not fall also for some of them may, make these promises and claims and give you assurances that you are going to make a lot of money. So there'll be massive financial gains if you invest in those cryptocurrencies. It may not really always be true, even if they're showing you some data, some figures to show as if they are credible proof. Do not ever fall for those kind of data. Look out also for the hidden fees that these cloud mining platforms have, which they do not otherwise overtly tell you on the face, but they do. They are there, and they eventually charge you at a later point in time. Also, be mindful that the moment you give access to those platforms onto your system, there's a massive potential of data breach. Data security and data breach is very common today. Malwares, are there everywhere. It could infect your computer, and could even steal very precious, important information and data from your system. So watch out for all of these. So these essentially form what is called the mining scam. The second point is the pumping and dumping. So you would notice that there are those tricksters, those rogue elements who actually take advantage of the fear of missing out psychology amongst human beings. So what they do, they lure these unsuspecting investors to mass purchase coins, generally altcoins, in order to increase the price when they will actually sell off their own coins when the price is high, so that they make their own money. And the moment they do that, and they pull out their own assets or own coins from the system, the price of the altcoins will drop drastically. As a result, it will pull down your own net worth, and you potentially would lose money in the process. So this happens. This generally doesn't happen in the traditional stock trading platform because it's much more regulated. But crypto domain is not so regulated yet, and hence pumping and dumping is still goes on, happens. It's a gray area, and at this moment, there is no clear solution to pumping and dumping. So always, you must, as a thumb rule, look out for the best practices in investment of cryptocurrencies. And I have actually shared one tutorial on that a few days ago. So do go out. I will put a link of that tutorial in the description below. And the third point is to look out for the fake crypto platforms and coins. So about 4 years ago, 2017, a fake South Korean crypto exchange BitKRK actually swindled millions of dollars from unsuspecting investors. So this happened right under the eyes of the South Korean regulator, who acted late, and when they acted, they took the exchange down. But by then, a lot of investors had lost millions of dollars. Another example, my Bitcoin, which sold $6 million worth of fake altcoins to investors. So before you go and invest in cryptocurrencies, look out for communities, the forums, the RSS feeds. Look out for genuine information about cryptocurrency, crypto exchanges. What are the people talking about? Are they really worth putting your money into through those exchanges? So go and do that research. You must having a pre-stated maximum supply and circulation of coins like Bitcoin had 21 million Bitcoins is actually a very good guide to identify that these coins are genuine. And obviously at some point in time they will get used up, their numbers will diminish, and hence the credibility, the novelty value, the actual financial value of that coin goes up because of that trust and the credibility. So always be very clear and bear in mind that you should wear a logical hat when you do the research before you actually go ahead and make an investment in cryptocurrencies. So those were the three scams that have been happening around the crypto world, and I think I wanted to let you guys know so that I don't want any one of you to fall into any of those scams. So be watchful, open your mind, be logical, and do your own research so that you do not fall prey to such scamsters. So that's it, guys. It's a wrap today on this tutorial. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and a technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL. Please go ahead and connect with me. You can also get a free copy of this tutorial if you subscribe to my newsletter. There's a link to that. I do consult companies and startups. So if you want me to, come down to actually consult your company, you can engage me. You just have to check yes on the third field of that same form above, and I'll reach out to you through email, and we can have a conference call. So I'll take your lead. So do like my video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and your partners, your business associates. And I shall see you very soon with next video in another day's time. So thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.